Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and clearing the sensor area. This ensures reliable readings. Once done, remove any case that covers the sensor and wash and dry your finger so scans aren't distorted. Now open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, and select Add Fingerprint. Follow the on-screen prompts. As you tap the sensor, slowly vary angle and pressure so the phone registers edge and center prints. This improves recognition under real use. You continue by methodically capturing a full set of images of the same finger. As prompted, lift and retap slightly rotated positions so the system learns multiple contact points. This reduces false rejections. Make sure you include the finger's sides and tip by changing orientation and keep pressure steady but varied across attempts. Once the progress indicator nears completion, perform a couple extra taps to fill gaps. This tightens matching thresholds and decreases failures when you unlock quickly. You finish by naming the fingerprint and setting a secure backup method. This protects access when biometric fails. Once enrolled, test unlocking immediately from different angles and while your finger is dry and slightly moist to confirm reliability. If recognition is inconsistent, re-register the finger using a cleaner sensor and slightly different angles, then retry. If problems continue despite re-enrolling, make sure your OS is up to date. Remove interfering screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.